Are you looking for the best metal shoe racks in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best metal shoe racks that are available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. At number 5, 50 Pairs Shoe Tower. If you are looking for a way to organize your shoes and keep your room neat, here is the best metal shoe rack that will help you with that. Regardless of the number of shoe pairs that you own, this product will give you ample storage space to accommodate all of them. As a matter of fact, it allows you to store at most 50 shoe pairs with its 10-tier design. Additionally, you do not have to worry about space available in your room if you live in a small apartment, as it features a compact size to save space. To accommodate various shoe types, you can disassemble various layers, giving you a DIY function. At number 4, Whitmor 8-tier Shoe Tower. Do you need to buy the best metal shoe rack that gives you ample storage space for your number of pairs of shoes? Here is a high-quality shoe rack that features a large capacity to hold numerous shoes of various types. You can store up to 40 pairs of shoes on this metal shoe rack, keeping your room neat and organized. Ideally, you will not have to worry about shoes slipping off the metal shoe rack because it features non-slip black tubes to keep them in place. Moreover, you enjoy the flexibility of storing any shoe types on this metal shoe rack, including wedges, men's shoes, and high heels and boots. You do not need too much time assembling this metal shoe rack, as its assembly process is a breeze. At number 3, Honey Can Do 4-tier White Metal Shoe Rack. Are you running on a budget and need to invest in a high-quality metal shoe rack? Consider getting this product that is both available and affordable. Its budget-friendly price ensures that you do not spend a fortune on it while still giving you competitive quality. Maintaining and cleaning this best metal shoe rack is a breeze, and this is mainly because the product has no fabric on it that requires time and effort to clean. Ideally, if you live in a small apartment, this is the best metal shoe rack that you should invest in, as it comes with a compact design. This implies that it will save a lot of space while keeping your room neat and organized, making it highly valuable. To save you time after receiving it, this product features a no-tool assembly, ensuring that it is ready for use a few minutes after delivery. At number 2, GEMITTO Shoe Rack. Are you looking for the best gift that you can offer a loved one? Here is a thoughtful gift idea that is highly functional in large and small spaces. It is the best metal shoe rack that will give you a rust-proof function to ensure that it lasts longer. Ideally, you will appreciate the expandable design that it features, giving you more or less storage space depending on your needs. If you have around 20 shoe pairs, here is the metal shoe rack that will give you great value and quality. Moreover, if you want to save space in your living or dressing area, this product will come in handy, as it features a compact construction. There is also versatile placement when you invest in this best metal shoe rack, because you can place it along the hallway, in the cabinet, entryway, bedroom, closet, or hallway. To give you moisture resistance, this metal shoe rack features a silver paint coating, making it easy to clean. At number 1, 2-tier Stackable Shoe Rack. Simple Trending Metal Shoe Organizer is a 4-tier product that can hold boots, sneakers, high heels, and sandals, among other shoe types. You will also realize that it features a multifunctional design, allowing you to use it anywhere in the house. Hence, you will enjoy great value for your money if you invest in this best metal shoe rack. Additionally, you get a chance to double the storage capacity of this metal shoe rack because it gives you an expandable and stackable design for DIY. Therefore, you can stack it vertically or horizontally to accommodate all your shoe pairs depending on the available space. Moreover, you will love that rust is the least of your worries with this product because it has a powder-coated finish. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.